Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this Windows error recovery on your Windows 7 operating system. If you are getting this error again and again on your laptop or desktop, in this video, I will show you how to fix this completely. First, you need to turn off your laptop and open your BIOS menu. In my case, I have to press F2 key to open my BIOS options. It may be different on your system. So first I have to search for an option SATA mode. Go to devices, then go to SATA tab. Here you can see the option SATA mode. There are three modes: AHCI, ATA and RED. Now you have to choose AHCI. Make sure this option will be AHCI. Now you have to search for another option OS selection. You have to choose Windows 7 if you have this option on your BIOS. These are the two settings on your BIOS you have to change. Now press F10 key to save and exit. So if you are using Windows 7, you have to choose AHCI on your SATA mode, and on the Windows section you have to choose Windows 7. Then save the changes in BIOS and exit. Now my system will restart. Wait for few seconds. Now you can see the error has been fixed now. Windows 7 is loading. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite.